In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a column in Google Sheets. If you've ever had a shared spreadsheet where certain columns should never be changed, locking a column is the way to go. This is different from freezing a column, which only keeps it visible while you scroll. Locking actually protects it from edits, so only the people you choose can modify it. Start by selecting the column you want to lock. Click the letter at the top of the column header. So if you want to protect column B, click the B at the top. That selects the entire column in one go, saving you from manually highlighting cells. Next, look up to the menu bar and click Data, then choose Protect Sheets and Ranges. This opens a sidebar on the right side of your screen where all protection settings live, and you'll see the selected range listed there. If you clicked column B, it should show as BB. That notation simply means the entire column B from top to bottom. If it looks right, you're good to proceed. You can add a description here as a reminder, like locked totals column, which helps collaborators understand why it's protected. Click Set Permissions to define who can edit this column. This is the key part. You're deciding who gets editing rights. Choose only you if you want to fully lock the column for everyone else with access to the file. This is ideal when you have formulas or critical data you don't want changed. If you're collaborating and certain teammates still need access, choose Customize and select exactly who can edit. This option lets you grant permission to specific people while keeping it locked for everyone else. Keep in mind, people who only have view access to the file can't edit anything anyway, so this primarily controls what other editors can change. Once you've made your selection, click Done to apply the protection. From now on, anyone who isn't on the allowed list will be blocked from editing that column. Your data stays safe and your workflow stays consistent. If you ever need to adjust who can edit, revisit data, protect sheets and ranges, and edit the same rule, simple and reversible. And that's it. Your column is now locked and protected from unwanted edits. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Sheets tips and tutorials.